Okay, we've started. Power supply, amplifier, 2x6. I'm going to turn off the amplifier, leave the power supply on. Change the channel. We're running a 2980 using a stock microphone. Yeah. About a 1 to 2 watt dead key. Taking the meter. Audio in my radio up to about 30 watts. About 30 watts. Okay. Amplifier's on. Turn over to the 1000 watt scale. About 100 watt dead key. 11111. About 850, 900. Okay. Hey, Leprechaun, how's this thing sound? Yeah, Chimwar. I got a Roadrunner's old amplifier connected up here. Okay, I'm going to get off the key and shut everything off. All right, talk to you later. Okay, shut this off.